In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default placeholder text found in your contact form. It's going to be super simple. You won't believe just how easy it is. So it's going to go from this to this in less than 2 minutes. I promise. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to head over to our dashboard. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to be using the Dawn 14 for this particular one. So we're going to click on the ellipsis here, and then we're going to click on where it says edit default theme content. Okay, then we're going to go into our templates right here. Okay, then we're going to come down to where it says contact form right here. And as you can see, you have the name, email, phone number, comment, just everything that it's right here, and you can change all of that, my friend. So we're going to leave everything the same. The only one I'm going to change just for this demonstration is just this one right here. I'm going to put in pour your thoughts here. It goes with my theme, right? So I'm going to go ahead and change that, but you can change anything that you like right here. Let's say here, you can put it like as a sample phone number, right? So that they can fill it in. Anything you'd want. You can also change where it says send. You can just add submit instead, right? And then also you can change the post success as well. So it says thank you for contacting us, we'll be back as soon as possible, right? So you can change that as well. And also if there's an error, you can change that message there as well. So you can change all of it based on your brand and your brand tone. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to go ahead and update it, and there we go. We have our placeholders that match our tone for our brand, right? Because I have here where it says need to reach us. Great, just know we don't offer therapy, just great support, right? So it's most fitting to have something more clever in the placeholders. That's it. It was super simple. I hope I gained a thumbs up, and check out this video here that YouTube thinks you want to watch next. Adios.